Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 1st, 2022. I'm just giving you weekly analysis just before market close because I've got a couple of stuff to do during weekend, so I'm not sure if I can give you analysis, but here is S&P 500 monthly chart. We had a closeout yesterday on the month for March 2022, and this is a nice candle, to be honest. We just closed above nicely closed above last month, and also rebounded SMA 20, which we expected, especially in the latter part of the month, which is March 16 to March 22nd. As I told you, that's going to be reversal, and reversal happened, and we just closed above open and close for the month of February, which is a bullish sign for the market. I still believe that we are going to see more bullish momentum into the month of April. We have some correction. We are into the correction now, and for this week especially. And I believe if you're getting to the daily chart, I'm gonna tell you exactly what I'm looking at for the chart of daily, but I believe we are getting to the end of this correction probably mid next week. Next week, after the latter part of the next week, we will get back to the second phase of the bullish run after this pivot low here. So as long as S&P is holding up above this pivot, everything should be bullish now, and I have no concern about that. So my ultimate target, again, for those ones that who are seeing my channel now, my ultimate target for this year and probably early next year, I'm not going more than that, is going to be, first target is going to be 5200 to 5500, and as I said, some people are just pointing 6000, which is pretty epic, and I'm not sure if we get there, but I just put a rectangular there, so see if that box is being reached and touched. But for now, I'm looking for the first target for the monthly chart is 5081. That is a significant level based on my calculation. But the ultimate target that I'm getting into 52 to 5500 for S&P 500 based on monthly chart. Let's go to weekly chart. Here is the weekly chart for S&P 500. As you see here, we have nice rebound of this low, 41.25. That was nailed by us, and just that we pierced it once. This box acted very, very well, and right now we are experiencing correction, and S&P is getting back below SMA 20. I'm not sure if we close below this or not, but last week we just touched close above SMA 20 on weekly basis. We have a shooting star, and this shooting star inside this red ball was normal. And I remember I told you, I don't know how many times, but I just pointed out in the channel, 4600. That would be a good resistance area, just because we are into this red bar, we are into this consolidation breakout by this red bar, and also Fibonacci level. I just want to show you something pretty neat, and everyone needs to do that as well. This is very, very basic and simple stuff. We are getting into 61 and 69 level, which is very important, getting close to 78%. But I know that lots of people are talking about this is going to be end of this rally, which is a dead cat bounce or bear market rally. Some people are just giving a polite name to this one. Some people are saying suckers rally or whatever. But I think after these 2 weeks, nice bullish momentum, we are due for a correction. Everything is not going in a straight line up and down. I know we had severe correction in the months of January and February, but this month, this week, is going to be just a correction and digestion for these 2 weeks rally. And if we close above, again, look at the daily close today, because that's going to be weekly close as well, and that would be very, very important. If we close above 45.26, which is just 10 points above this level, the current level now, that would be a nice bullish signal for the market. It tells us that we are staying above SMA 20 on the weekly chart, and this candle is just consolidation, and we should see more choppy consolidation for another spike up to and a spike up to the upside. I believe 46.65 to 47.36, those ones are going to be good levels for S&P before another correction. My timing, before getting to the timing, let's go to daily chart. My timing is for S&P is going to be probably April 16th to April here's the April 20th to 22nd. Let's put it back down there to 24th, and here is April. So probably we are going to test this area as like a wave 4, and then this is wave 1, very nice one. We just smash it here in this rectangular, in this box, and just stretched out and then coming back down. So I can just point it out, just clean this one out and put it there here. This is going to be wave 1, and just change it here. I will change it later, but I can't change it now. So here is the wave 1, and here is the wave 2 for retracement and coming back down here. I would say probably 4400. That's going to be a nice level, especially this wide range bar around here, and 44, I would say 35. That's going to be nice level as well. And just we have probably 1 or 2 days correction, and that's gonna complete 5 days, 5 consecutive day corrections, and that would be enough, I think, for wave 2. And then we are going all the way back up here. There is going to be a potential for wave 3, but it's not ideal. It's going to be all-time high here around 48.21, but I just want to stretch it a little bit higher, which is a 49, probably 32. Any area from 48, to be honest, and 93 to 49.51. That's going to be a nice area for wave 3. And I just thinking of if that happened, then we are getting into nice parabolic move to the upside for completing wave 5, which is going to be 52 to 52.50. That would be end of my first target, I would say, and after that I would be very, very cautious. But for now, when we are seeing this pullback, this is a very good sign for bull, just because I will wait for more pattern, but this pattern gives me a confidence that we are going to see very nice rally all the way up to the upside if this pattern formation is completed, just because we are seeing a nice reverse head and shoulder, isn't it? So let's keep it for now quiet and silent, because I'm sure lots of people are talking about this in future. But this would be very, very nice reverse head and shoulder if this forms, and probably if, any area, any price retracement to this area, that would be a good buying opportunity. I'm just waiting, to be honest, for more correction. Monday or Tuesday, that would be good correction for S&P, and then after Tuesday, Wednesday, we should see rally continues to the upside. All right, so that is S&P. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is okay, this is hourly chart. This is very, very lower time frame. Let's go to monthly chart. Monthly chart for Nasdaq, we just test SMA 20 twice, pierce it, close above this, nice hammer, and there is nothing more for Nasdaq. I would say, especially in this chart, I would see 18,681. That would be a very, very nice target for Nasdaq for the next move to the upside. We need to clean this pivot here, then we are off to the rally to 18,681. Going to weekly chart, here's the weekly chart. Nasdaq, we are getting into these two bow tie necktie that we are just going to say, and these two moving averages are acting as a resistance, SMA 50 and 20 on weekly basis, and this is very natural to see a correction and retracement. So if it stays above 14,000, that would be another bullish sign for Nasdaq to go to the next level. The same with S&P. Nasdaq is completing wave 1. We are at wave 2, corrective move to the downside, and probably 14,466 area-ish. So that's going to be, I believe that's going to be end of the correction for Nasdaq for wave 2, and then we are going to see, if we see a bounce here and then taking out this pivot, we are going off to the rally, probably 16,000 and 16,333, because I'm not sure if Nasdaq passes this pivot. Nasdaq wave 3 would be anywhere close above around all-time high, right? So about around 16,000 to 17,000. That would be the area for Nasdaq. Let's go to Dow Jones. Dow Jones is the same. So I'm just continue my analysis in Dow Jones in daily chart. As you see here, this is a nice reverse head and shoulders forming as well. However, S&P compared to the other ones are the strongest one, just because this pivot is taking out that pivot. As you see, Dow Jones, this pivot is going below this pivot, and if we are just put a trend, draw a trend line here, let me just put a trend line there. So probably Dow Jones, we are going back down to test this trend line as well as a back test, just a goodbye kiss, and then going all the way up to here. So Dow Jones Industrial, I would say SMA 50 or EMA 20, EMA 50. Now they're crossing over here as well. So anywhere around 34,000 to 34,300, 34,400. That would be good buying opportunity for Dow Jones as well, just because moving averages are having good support here, and also this trend line is giving me good buying setup as well. This bullish consolidation, we are going down to back test this, so that would be a good signal for Dow Jones as well. Russell 2000, which is the only green one today among the other ones, and daily chart Russell is showing me like Russell if you want to compare Russell to the other one, Russell just having 2 days correction, the other one's having 3 days correction, and Russell is showing a doji which is coming to this consolidation, this pivot, which is very, very nice bullish consolidation here. So I would say Russell needs to do more consolidation for spiking higher. I don't think Russell is taking out to this pivot easily, because there is going to be very, very strong resistance here, this pivot inside this wide range bar, and this wide range bar clean this pivot. So this is very, very important pivotal point, which is 2251, 2250, and then here 2400. That would be the next one. So I believe whenever all the other major indexes are testing new all-time high or getting close to new all-time high, Russell is getting to here, not new all-time high, because we have far distance away from new all-time high. That's going to be 400 for Russell, and that would be a lot for Russell 2000. All right, so this week I just put it short analysis, and hope you like this video, hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, and if you have any question, please go down there, put your questions in the chat box. I will answer that ASAP. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. See you on the chart. Bye bye.